Hello everyone, my name is AJ Kumar. I'm an accountant, a CPA at Sai CPA Services. Welcome to ITV Gold. Today we'll talk about a very important change that has happened due to COVID-19 in the tax laws. The meals are deductible at 100% now. Amazing. Meals were always deducted at 50%, 80%, or sometimes at 0%. Now, under the new law that changed recently, meals are deducted at 100%. I have with me my friend, our senior accountant Jagrati Patel, who will be helping us explaining what's deductible at 100% and what's not deductible even now.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar. Hello, viewers. Welcome to ITV Gold. My name is Jagrati Patel. I'm a senior accountant at Science CPA Services. And today we are going to talk about 100% meal deduction. So, Mr. Kumar, due to new changes, what are the meal deductible 100% and what are the for 50%?
Great, absolutely. So let's focus on the core of the issue first. What was 50% and what became 100%? And let's go with the rationale behind it. So if you take a huge step back, look at it from the IRS perspective. If you, as a small business owner, going out on lunch with a client, it was 50% deductible. And the claim that the IRS had, hey, you ate as well. 50% is for the client, 50% is for you. So we'll only deduct 50%. So all the meals, business meals we call it, where the business was discussed, and they cannot be extravagant. They cannot be that you are ordering the whiskey and everything else. Usual, regular business meals, as long as those meals you were there and a client was there, they were allowed 50%. There were some meals, say for example, if there is a party at your office, in that case you have the whole staff or a lot of clients coming up, then your portion becomes very, very insignificant. Let's say if there are 50 people over there, and then out of 50 people, you were one of them, then your portion is only 2% in this example. Then in those cases, meals was deductible at 100% because your portion is very small. So if you are going out with a client, then 50-50, 50 you, 50 client is deductible 50%. So all those 50% meals that were deducted are now deductible at 100%. All the meals that were deducted at 100% are still deductible at 100%. But there are certain meals, Jagrati. The important part is there are certain things that are still not deductible. For example, a lot of business owners will grab a coffee in the morning. So there is no client, there is no business discussion. They are just getting this coffee for $1, $2 for themselves. That's not meal deduction. That's still not deductible. You should not be using the business card for that type of meal deduction.
Wonderful, Mr. Kumar. Thanks. That's the great information. Can you tell us something about still meal and entertainment as well can be deductible?
Absolutely. Great question. So meals and entertainment are both deductible now. Entertainment portion was not deductible. Only the meal portion, and that too at a certain percentage, was deductible, Jagrati. Now meals and entertainment can both be deducted. And if you take a huge step back and try to understand why is government doing it? This is to promote more of the restaurant. A lot of restaurants, a lot of retailers are suffering in the market. By allowing the meal deduction, this is government's indirect way to promote more businesses to eat out, to feel more comfortable. Under the COVID-19, a lot of people are not eating out. This will not only help in tax deduction for a small business, it will also help a lot of restaurants to survive in this difficult market. So this is government's indirect way of funding more money in the industry.
Can I write off my personal meal expense on my personal taxes?
Well, you have to be careful over there. So the discussion we are having is more about the small business meal deducted at 100%. Your personal meal expenses are not deductible unless you have a side business. If you have, let's say, a single member LLC that you're filing on Schedule C, in that situation, you can have your client meal expenses still deductible. You can deduct the expenses for the meetings at 100% that you are having with the clients. But the personal meal expenses are not deductible on your 1040. On your personal taxes, it's not deductible unless you have a business. If you have a business and you file Schedule C or 1065, 1120S, 1120, in those cases, the meal expenses are deducted at 100%, the expenses that were earlier deducted at 50%. But your personal meal expenses are not deductible in your personal taxes, Jagrati.
I have one more question. If employee is working late night and employer provide the meal, is it deductible or is it not deductible?
Well, there is a lot of confusion about it, and a lot of people are not doing it right. So the meal provided to the employees while they are working late or coming early, a lot of companies provide the breakfast, everyday breakfast. Those expenses are deductible expenses for the business. But if you are providing meal expenses to a particular employee working on a particular project, not for the whole office, in that case you have to include the expense on the W-2 for that employee. You take another example. Let's say you have an employee, Jagrati, where you are providing the rent payment to the employee or some other benefit to the employees. So when these meals, the rental benefits, the other monetary benefits are provided to the employees directly, these benefits, even though they are deductible for the company, they become taxable benefit for the employees. So if you are providing, let's say for this project, I have 2 employees and these 2 employees will get free dinner every day. In that case, I'm expected as a small business owner to include the benefit on their W-2, on their taxes. It becomes taxable to these employees. It's deductible unless it's a situation when breakfast is provided for everybody. Whoever comes early, they eat it. In that case, I'm not expected to be including this money on their W-2. But the meal expense nonetheless is deductible in both cases for the company.
The meal deduction, how long can be applicable? Can you summarize little?
Absolutely. So currently, the way the rule is written out, this is applicable for next 2 years. So for 2021 and 2022, small businesses can claim the meal deduction at 100%. It can be extended depending on how the situation unfolds, but for the time being, is 2021 and in 2022. So just to summarize the information, there were certain meals that were not deductible earlier. There were certain meals that were deducted at 50%, 80%. A lot of those meals are now going to be deductible at 100%. So all the more reasons for you to incentivate the employees, incentivate your staff. Instead of giving them the cash, if you order the Friday lunches, breakfast, it helps the economy, it boosts the morale for the employees, and it becomes 100% deductible for the business. So it's win-win-win all the way. It's one of the IRS way, one of the government way to push more money into the economy. So just to summarize, Jagrati, meals are deductible at 100%. Go out, eat out, spend the money. It's all deductible for you. I thank you very much for listening. Again, my name is Ajay Kumar. I'm an accountant, a CPA at Science CPA Services. Thank you.